Hi, I'm Emily McKay. I'm the varsity softball catcher, and one of our biggest accomplishments this season is the growth we made throughout the season as a team. And one of my favorite memories is singing together in the dugout. Go Vikes!
Hey Vikes, I'm Aaron.
I'm Annie. And I'm Maggie.
And we're Curtis Girls Lacrosse. The beginning of our season this year was pretty rough, but we grew a lot.
Yeah, we ended our season tying our rivals Bellarmine, who we haven't beat in close to a decade.
One of our favorite memories was the lacrosse trip we took to Spokane, where we got to play some games and also tour some pretty cool colleges and hang out with our teammates.
What's up, Vikes? My name is Alea Franklin.
My name's Sydney West.
I'm your current ASB president.
And I'm your incoming ASB president.
I think this school year went very well because we had so much more participation than we had last year, especially with our games and who helped with homecoming. I think that even within the class got a lot closer over the summer, and we were able to continue that into the school year.
I'd say our favorite memories is our leadership camp at CISPIS would be a good memory, and then homecoming is always a good fun time, that week of homecoming. Go Vikes!
I'm Noah. I'm Joey. We're here for baseball. We made lots of growth over the season. We're going to come out strong next year.
Our favorite memory and biggest accomplishment is probably being Puyallup. That's all. As always, go Vikes.
Talofa Vikes, I'm Ufa.
And I'm Giffen.
We're here from the AAPU to tell you about AAPI month, since May has come to an end. In the month of May, we take time to reflect and celebrate the important role that Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders, AAPIs, have played in our shared history.
Not only in the month of May has APU hosted our annual luau, but as well as hosted many important factual meetings that help us identify and discover who we really are. Thanks to our president, Tristan, APU has come a long way. Thank you for listening, and as always, go Vikes!
Hi, we're Girls Tennis, and our season went very well, and a lot of freshmen joined. We also became really close as a team.
One of our accomplishments is that 2 of our players made it to districts, and just as a team overall, we improved altogether.
One of our best memories is that as a team we got really close together and we really bonded together.
My name is Sean McKay. This is my partner Tristan Isaacson. We're members of the DECA store and club. And I'd say our greatest achievement was us taking first place at regionals for the Sports and Entertainment Marketing Team Decision event. It was a great bonding thing for the rest of our classmates, and it was pretty fun.
As well as the state too.
Oh yeah, we went to state, and that was good too.
Our best memory, definitely around Christmas time, we did a lot of things. Put up the tree. We did a Secret Santa event, which was really good. Overall, it was a great class bonding experience. And another thing that I love about that class is every Friday, Mr. Ringenbaugh makes some bomb pancakes.
The pancakes are good. It's great. We're more like a family than a class, and DECA's fun.
All right, so I'm Tommy.
I'm Jason.
And this year, our boys golf team, we made it to state.
My favorite memory of the season is probably seeing Tommy make a hole-in-one.
Hey Vikes, I'm Austin Runyon.
I'm Andrew Nelson.
And we were both One-Act directors for this school year.
I'd say one of the greatest accomplishments of One-Acts this year for me was when my show ended up winning Best Show.
For me, I would say a biggest accomplishment for me was just working with my co-director and putting on the best show that we could with my amazing cast.
Go Vikes.
Hi, I'm Austin Runyon, and I was the choir president for this school year.
I'm Lauren Jones. I was the choir vice president for this school year.
And I would say a favorite memory from this year would probably be just spending it with the choir class. This was Mr. D's last year, so really creating that bond with him and everyone else, and going out with a bang would probably be my favorite memory.
Yeah, and our biggest accomplishment was our final choir concert, which was our send-off to Mr. D, and just showing how much we all appreciate him.
And then I think that this school year, it ran really, really well, actually. The choir officers worked really well together and created a cohesive and welcoming environment. Mr. D really put his all into his last year, and we couldn't have done it without him. So And as always, go Vikes!
What's up, Vikes?
I'm Aiden.
I'm Landon Shorten-Carrier.
Some of our accomplishments this year on the soccer team are we were second in districts and we made it to state.
We were 4th in our league and we beat 7th in the nation. And my favorite memory from the season was beating Bellarmine at home and celebrating with our team in the locker room.
Yeah, that's a good one. Probably my favorite memory was loading up the Xbox on the bus over to Pasco. It's pretty fun. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Go Vikes!
What's up, Vikes? My name is Sarah Hudspeth from Orchestra, and this year orchestra class went to the PLU and UPS Orchestra Festivals as well as the District Orchestra Festival, and we sent 10 people to state, and my favorite orchestra memory is watching all my friends play at state.
What up, Vikes? My name is Rocco Koch. I'm here for the lacrosse program. I would say biggest accomplishment this year is probably beating Seattle Prep. They were ranked number 2 while we were ranked number 7 this year. At our house, we beat them 9-8. And then favorite memory, probably the Arizona trip with the whole team this year, getting everybody together and coming together and beating some teams. So that was pretty fun. Oh, and go Vikes.
What's up, Vikes? I'm James.
I'm Royce, and we are members of the Curtis High School Wind Ensemble.
And we are also the drum majors for the Curtis High School Bat Band.
All right, we have 2 questions, and number 1 is, what are some of the biggest accomplishments for band this past year?
And number 2 was, what's our favorite memory of band this year?
Our first accomplishment that we have is that we are the academic state champions for band.
Go Vikes!
Go Vikes!
Our second big accomplishment was we had many people go to Soul Ensemble this year. Many of them got superiors, and we had like 2 or 3 groups that made it to the State Soul Ensemble, and it was pretty good.
Go Vikes!
Go Vikes!
And our last accomplishment is that we've had many players make it to All-State.
Yeah, and very competitive categories too.
Go Vikes!
Go Vikes!
I'm Leroy.
And I'm Azaria.
An accomplishment the track team had this year on the boys' side was the boys 4x4 had one of the top times in the state this year. And my favorite memory had to be doing workouts with the 400 crew with Coach E.
One of my favorite accomplishments this year on the girls' side was winning the 4x1 at districts. And my favorite memory was jumping. My favorite memory was jumping 37-3 at leagues.
Hi, my name is William Blinn. I am a 11th grader at Curtis Senior High School. My accomplishments for this year was doing the 100-meter run and 200-meter run in track, not track at Curtis, but a different track which is called Special Olympics track, and I got 4th place in both the 100-meter run and 200-meter run, and my favorite memories was just mostly like eating lunch at where I was doing at the stands where I did the 100-meter run and 200-meter run at, and talking to people who I like to talk to the most, and that's all I know.
Hi, I'm Lily.
I'm Lauren.
And we're on the girls water polo team at Curtis. This season, we were super successful and we went 17-1 and won our 3rd consecutive state title.
My favorite memory from this season is when we went curling as a team.
My favorite memory from this season was our team trip to Oregon.
And our biggest accomplishment was winning state.
One,